Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and today I want to make you a video about what I believe is the best online business for people who are beginners, who are just getting started, who've wanted to make money online, and maybe they've tried 2 or 3 or 10 different things and nothing's worked so far, and they always come to me asking me, what's the best business model I should be focusing on? And so I want to tell you what I think is the best business model. It's probably different than what you might be thinking, okay? Especially if you know who I am. I'm very big. I'm one of the co-founders of ClickFunnels. I always talk about building funnels and driving traffic and creating offers and selling courses, all sorts of stuff. But I actually don't think that's the best business model for beginners. And this is why. Okay, let's say you wanted to start a traditional online business, and I want to walk through all the things you have to do and you have to learn to be successful, okay? The first thing, this is you're going on your journey, right? The first thing you have to do is you have to figure out how to create a product, right? And so there's a whole skill set that goes into creating a product, right? You have to figure out, okay, what do people want? And then I got to go and figure out how to create an outline. Then from there, I got to go record videos and courses. And there's like a whole bunch of steps, right? And so you got to come out here, and the first thing you got to do is you have to go and actually create the product, right? So that's the first part. But then after the product's done and you spend all the time figuring out how to do that, then you got to go and figure out, okay, how do I sell this product? So the next thing you have to learn, the next skill set, is you have to learn how to actually build a funnel, right? And so I'm going to build a funnel where here's the sales page where I'm going to sell my product, right? And so you go and you figure out how to actually sell it. But then to be able to sell it inside the funnel, you have to then learn how to actually sell. So how do I write copy, right? I need a headline here, and then I got to go and make a video. So you got to go and figure out how to record a video of you actually selling the product. And then from there, you have an order form, and then you have to write the copy for the rest of the page, right? So you have that page done in the funnel, but then it's like, how do you collect somebody's money? So then you got to go and figure out how to connect it to an order form, right? So you have your order form here, and then people put in their credit card information. And then after that, then you're going to want to have an upsell. So then you come back here. Okay, here is upsell number 1. But then you have to create a product for upsell number 1. So you come back here, okay, I have this first product. Now I got to create a second product to be able to sell here on upsell number 1, right? Because I'm selling this one over here. So then you go and create upsell number 1 product, but then you got to create a video or sales letter to sell that. So you create the video here, and then you got to write a sales letter. And let's say you want a second upsell to increase your average order value. Then you create a second upsell over here, right? But then you got to create another product. So you come back here, you got to create a product, and then over here, and then from there you create the video, and those are all the steps just to get your product and your offer, your funnel live. Now, obviously, again, I teach this. I love it. It's one of my favorite business models, but it's not necessarily for beginners because you have to learn all these skill sets. You have to learn product development, funnel building, copywriting, all those kind of things, and you still haven't made any money yet, right? And then you have to go and you have to learn the most valuable skill, which is actually how do you drive traffic or people into this funnel. I'm doing this in green because green equals money, right? So there's some arrows. You have to learn how to drive traffic. And then after you do start getting traffic, then I'm going to keep making these bigger so you can see. So there's your traffic. You drive traffic into there. Here's TRAFFIC. You start driving traffic in the funnel. Then someone goes through, but at the end of it, then you get a customer. Then you got to figure out how to do customer support, how do you answer their questions, they get stuck. And so now you have all these customers over here. Then you got to support, right? And so you got customer support. And so there's a lot of things. It's very difficult initially for somebody to get started to be able to figure out how to do all these things. I know when I got started with my business way back in the day, I was trying to do these things that got overwhelming, and then I bumped into something that I believe is, again, the best online business model, especially for people who are beginning. And what I bumped into was a thing called affiliate marketing. Okay, now the reason why affiliate marketing is so cool is because I don't have to go initially and figure out how to create a product, right? If I'm an affiliate for somebody else, they already created the product. So this step is done, that step is done, that step done, okay? I don't have to go and create a funnel because the person already created the funnel. So the funnels, this is all done, this is done, this is done, this is done. I don't have to actually sell the product because they went and they made the sales video and the copy and everything. So I don't have to do any of these steps either. And then after I sell the product, I don't have to support them. They take care of customer support. So the only thing I have to do as an affiliate is I just have to learn how to do this one thing, which is drive traffic to an affiliate page. That's it. And if I can learn how to drive traffic to an affiliate page, then I make money without any of the stress or the headaches. So if you're just getting started, the easiest way is not to learn all these other things. Instead, is find somebody who already has a funnel that's working, it's converting, they already have an offer that's converting, and all you do is learn this one skill set alone, which is how to drive traffic to sell their products. Okay? And what's nice about it is the person who's driving the traffic, traditionally some affiliate programs are paid 20%, 30%, 50% or more. So you get more than half the money and you don't have to do any of the work. You just drive the traffic, you get paid, and that's why I think this is the best online business model for beginners. Okay? Now on this page you can see it's called Affiliate Bootcamp. Okay? And I want to actually start your bootcamp right now. I'm going to give you guys lesson number 1 about how to become not just an affiliate, but a super affiliate. Because if you can learn that, it'll give you the ability to outperform every other affiliate who's trying to promote similar offers to the ones you're doing. So with that said, I'm going to jump right into lesson number 1 of how to be a super affiliate. So now I want to show you the way that most people like do the normal affiliate marketing route, and then I'm going to show you guys what super affiliates do, which is pretty cool, okay? So this is the way that normal people do it, right? So write normal. And there's nothing wrong with this, it's just not quite as powerful. So the way normal people do it, right? So this is you, and you go out there, you are an affiliate, and so you go and you place an ad on the internet, right? So the ad could be on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. You put the ad out there, somebody clicks on the ad, and it goes through your affiliate link, okay? So it's tracking, so the system will know that you're the one that sent the person over to the sales letter for the product owner, right? So they're selling products. So here's the product owner over here. Right, you sent the sale, person bought the thing, he gets paid the money, and so he's all excited. And then the best thing about it is he's happy because he got paid, and then he goes back and sends you money because you are the one who sent the traffic. Okay, and so that's what's powerful. Such a win-win situation, and that's why product owners love affiliates, and affiliates love product owners because they make both jobs so much easier. Okay, so this is again the normal way, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's not bad, but there's a more powerful, there's a better way. Okay, and I call this way the affiliate bootcamp way. ABC stands for Affiliate Bootcamp. Now this is very similar, okay? It's gonna start the same thing, where there's you, and you go and you place an ad on the internet, right? And you drive traffic to a sales page, right? So here's a sales page, we're selling something. Now, the coolest thing about this is the way that most people do it, right? They sell the product and then they're hoping that the product owner takes care of them and educates them and trains them, but a lot of times it doesn't happen. So you might sell the product and then, 30 days later, the person gets a refund because they don't know how to actually use the product. And there's a lot of just things inside the traditional affiliate route that are hard. But with the affiliate bootcamp model, the way it happens, someone signs up for the product and then it takes them to a membership site, okay? And the membership site is an educational membership site, okay? So I call it Affiliate Bootcamp, but it's an educational, so right, EDU. Okay, educational. The person comes in and they're gonna be learning while they're earning, okay? So they come in and they go through a bunch of different modules. They click on module number 1, they watch the video, they go to module 2, module 3, and as they're learning how to be a successful affiliate, what's gonna happen is the Affiliate Bootcamp platform will then introduce you to different tools you need, right? Like, hey, here's a tool you need to be successful. So introduce a tool right here through an affiliate link, and then somebody clicks on it, boom, and then I get paid a commission. Okay? And so that is kind of how the Affiliate Bootcamp system works. It's really powerful, it's really cool. And so what I want to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to do this exact same thing. So instead of just driving traffic to page and hopefully getting paid, instead you learn how to build out an entire educational platform that then has multiple different income streams for you. In fact, my Affiliate Bootcamp system has 6 different income streams I get paid on. So every time someone signs up for it, they go through the training, and by the time they've gone through all 30 modules, there's 6 things I'm getting affiliate commissions on for each of the people who come into the program. It's pretty powerful, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But on top of that, one of our members asked me one time, like, Russell, wouldn't that be cool if instead of just showing me this platform, what if you allowed me to put my affiliate links inside of it, okay? And so what's cool about this is you'll see inside Affiliate Bootcamp, when you sign up for it and you have a chance to go through all the training, okay, and you'll sign up for these different programs, you can actually replace all of the different income streams for all these with your link. And then when you come back here and you drive people into this platform, all of the training will be there. I'll be training and educating them on how to be a great affiliate, right? And then anytime they sign up for in the programs, I won't get paid. You'll actually get paid for all of the different commissions that are coming through, all the 6 different income streams, okay? And so that's what Affiliate Bootcamp is. It's going to first off train you how to be a super affiliate, okay? But then it also allows you to plug your affiliate links into the platform, so when you are promoting it, you get paid on the same 6 income streams. It's really powerful. It's one of the coolest things in the world, and that's what Affiliate Bootcamp is, okay? Now, a lot of people, when they first hear about Affiliate Bootcamp, they're assuming it's going to be a $1,000 course or $10,000 training program or something, but I want to make something very simple, very easy, because again, I told you guys this is the best business model for beginners, so I didn't want to charge $1,000 or $10,000 I could to more traditional business owners. Instead, I wanted to make this simple for people who were just getting started, okay? So you can see down below, there's 2 price points. Either you can get started for just $7 a month, okay, which is what the cost of half of a Happy Meal at McDonald's, right? $7 a month, or $97 lifetime access to the Affiliate Bootcamp platform, okay? When you do this, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna learn how to become an affiliate. You can be an affiliate for anybody's product. You can do it for Amazon, for Best Buy, for your favorite singer. Like, you learn affiliate marketing skills you can use to sell and promote any product in the world. But on top of that, you also get a version of this site that has all your affiliate links plugged into it. So if and when you decide to promote this, you get paid on 6 different income streams, which is so exciting and so cool, okay? So all the information is down below, but I wanted to invite you guys to be part of it, because if you've been struggling in the past, you've tried a lot of different things, right? You went through all the stuff we talked about earlier, where you've potentially tried to create a product or build a funnel or drive, like all the different things, right? And you got overcomplicated. Like for you right now, as you're beginning this journey, I want you to focus on just one thing, right? Getting the system set up and just focusing on this. This is where you make the majority of the money, right? It's the least amount of effort, the most amount of money inside this entire process. And the coolest thing is after you promote something, you sell it, somebody else is taking care of the customer support. You don't even worry about that. Right? All you have to do is just drive traffic and step back and collect checks. Like that's the power of affiliate marketing when done right. Okay, and the affiliate bootcamp system is going to be, I think, the best way for you to learn it. Okay, there's over 30 modules that go through step after step after step. And these aren't like huge long training videos that you're going to go and watch like 4 hours of videos and try to figure things out. It's like, here's a 5-minute video, go just do this one step. When that's done, then here's the next 5 minutes, go do that. And it'll walk you step by step by step how to get things set up, how to drive traffic, how to do everything you need to be successful as an affiliate. And so that's what affiliate bootcamp is. I want to encourage you then to sign up. There's a link down below. Again, it's $7 a month, the cost of half of a Happy Meal a month to have me training you on how to do this. Or number 2 is $97 for lifetime access. Again, the links are down below. I want to highly encourage you guys to go sign up for affiliate bootcamp. And don't forget on top of that, you also get the ability to plug in your affiliate links. So anyone you refer back, you get paid commissions on all the income streams they sign up for. So with that said, sign up. Let's get started with affiliate bootcamp. Your first training starts right now. All you got to do is click on the link down below, jump in the members area, and let's get started on your affiliate bootcamp training right now.